Hello guys, today we will cover how to create animation with the tips and tricks using SVG and CSS. If you are new here, like and subscribe. Now let's jump into the tutorial. Open your browser and search for Undraw. Click on the search and type what exact you want. In our case, we are looking for a town. Here it is. Click on it and download. Open it with a design tool like Figma or Inkscape, but I will use Figma. Drag and drop the SVG file in it. Now let's get rid of some stuff we don't need. Let's group what we want to animate. Hold Ctrl or Command key on your keyboard to select multiple layers that made up the object. Hold the Ctrl or the Command key plus G to group the layers and rename it. Click the eye to make it invisible. Change the color of the buildings, the sun and the plants. Click and drag over the whole image and group it. Rename it as background. Hold Ctrl plus A to select all the layers. Now, export it as SVG. Make sure you click on this 3 dot. Check this Include ID attribute box and click on Export. Go ahead and drag the file into your code editor. Copy the code and then create an HTML file. Add SVG in the body tag. Now, let's start animating using CSS. Wow, that's all we need to do. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe. See you at other tutorials. Peace.